Hello, Hull class. Hello, Liverpool. Can you remember in our first lesson on materials, we talked about different materials such as wood, glass, plastic, fabric, and metal. Here are some objects made out of those materials. I want you to pause the video now, have a little look at each picture and see which of these items you would group together because they are made out of the same kind of material. Let's see what you did. I think I'm going to start here and I can see some cups and it looks like they're made out of plastic. So I'm going to be looking for something else made out of plastic. Oh, there's a plastic bag. Plastic can sometimes be hard or rigid, and sometimes it can be soft and squishy like a plastic bag. There might be something else made out of plastic. Have a good look. Did you find it? This little plastic ball we'll put over here. So here's a group. Just move this spoon out of the way. Here's a group of 3 things made out of plastic. Okay, let's choose something else. I think we'll go for this hat. This hat looks like it's made out of some sort of wool. It's a woolly hat. So I'm going to find some other objects made out of wool or fabric. This jumper is, definitely. And have a good look. Yes, pair of socks. So all of those 3 items we can group together because they're made out of fabric. And that fabric looks like it might be wool. These are some nice wooden chairs. Oh, and right next to them I can see a wooden spoon, so that can stay there. Now let's see, is there anything else on here made out of wood? Oh, here's a lovely wooden table. Okay, another 3 items grouped together. Let's try and find some other things made out of glass. So here's a glass made out of glass. And these glasses, this pair of spectacles or glasses, not all made out of glass, but the lenses here that somebody will be able to see through is made out of glass. And let me think. No, you couldn't see through this. And you couldn't see through. You could see clearly through those windows. Those window panes are made out of glass. And finally, we're going to look for some other items made from metal. So we've got a Coca-Cola can. That's made out of metal. I can see a metal spoon here. That can stay next to the Coca-Cola can. Oh, and this ring is made out of gold. Gold is also a kind of metal. How did you do? Did you manage to group those items together? I hope so. So now what I'd like you to do is look around your house, or maybe if you're allowed into your garden, make sure you check with a grown-up first. Have a look round and see if you can find at least 3 things in your house made of each of these materials. You can write them down in a list. You could draw pictures of them, but when you do it, try and group them together into different things made from wood, glass, plastic, fabric, and metal. When you've done that, send your work to Mrs. Tarry if you're in year 2, or to me or to Miss Creaser if you're in Hull class. We'd love to see your work. All for now, everybody. Stay safe.